So let's look at variables in Swift. So right now we have a grocery list right here for all the stuff I'm gonna buy. And right now you see apples, chicken, bananas, apples. What we can do with variables is instead of having apples here, having to type this out apples here, and then also having to type out apples here, what we could do is create a variable to keep it, to kind of store it. So a variable basically is a way how you can put like a value inside of it or put something inside of it so that you can use it for later. So for now, let's start off by typing variable, just like that. And then we're going to type apples here, which is the name of the variable we're making. And then we also have to tell what type of variable it is. So for this, it's going to be a string since we're going to be storing apples in it. And then we just say equal, and then we say what the variable is. So for this, it's going to be apples. And now what I can do is, instead of using apples here as a string, and then apples here again as a string, I can just type this in. So I can just copy this, and then get rid of this, and then get rid of this too. And then when our preview loads, you'll see we still see the same apples, and I didn't have to do anything crazy to do it. So again, to create a variable, the first thing we had to do was start writing var, and then that's to identify like, yo, you're going to be creating a variable, and then the actual name of the variable that you're creating. And you got to put these like dot here, and then you have to put the type of variable you're creating, and then just equal whatever you're actually putting inside that variable. Now this might take some time to get, but we're going to do a lot more to make sure you get it.